Good afternoon to everyone. You guys already know me. I'm David, and I will be responsible for the lab 5. Please, if you haven't done it yet, sign the assistant sheet that is in the table. You don't have to do it right now, but just at some point during the lab. This lab is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do it in groups of 4 or 5. I would prefer that you group in groups of 5 since we are 25. It will be ideal if we get 5 groups of 5. Then the way we're going to do that, the main goal of this lab is to collect the data of several temperatures and pressures of different parts of the central plant over an amount of time. And the way we're going to do that is after we split the lab in 5 groups, once at a time, half of one group is going to go to the control room. The control room is just the room that when we come into the central plant to the left, there is some operator there. That is the control room of the central plant. So we are going to go in groups of 2 or 3. So half of the 5 people group, and then we will take the data. So since we will be 5 groups, each group is going to go twice to the control room and in periods of 6 minutes. So in total, we are going to cover 1 hour of the central plant functioning. Everyone is going to share all the data. So in total, as we said, we will have 5 groups, and each group is going to go twice. So we'll have 10 data points for each of the data, and everyone is going to share it. So you guys have to find a method in order for each group to share the data with the other groups. I recommend taking pictures of the screens, and the reason of why I recommend to take the pictures it's because if you take the pictures instead of just taking the data that you think is important, you might not know exactly which is the important data, so in that case you can keep all the data for when you are doing the calculations. I'm going to set up the 3 relevant screens. They are going to be the 3 that are at the end of the control room. So every time you will be responsible for going to the control room and taking the three screens. The 3 screens are the same ones that they are in your lab report. In your lab report there is 3 diagrams. Those 3 diagrams are going to be the 3 screens that you guys are going to take the picture of. So what are we going to do while there is half of a group taking the data? So we will be here, and I recommend while you guys are here to work on questions 4, 5, and 8. I will have some hints with these questions if you guys come to ask me, and also I can confirm if you guys are in the right direction. Since we are a very big group, try to spread all over this room, like sitting in the floor or however you think it's important. So now we're going to split the room in the groups that I said, and I will prepare a table with the times at which each group will have to go to the control room. So please start making groups of 5.